I see you. I see you. I see you. No, you're not fucking doing shit. I see you, bitch.
You don't see shit.
You don't think I do?
What do you see?
I see you, the camera. Saying something to her. She has a secret in her one fucking hand.
Hmm?
She has that fucking pen. Looking out on it, getting up now to do what? What the fuck are you doing?
Frank, I need you to take a picture of my boobs.
Give me, I will.
I'm going to the bathroom.
He didn't hesitate on that one.
Let me have some fun, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Why?
No.
Really? I'll take it from you.
Mm-mm.
I'll jack that bitch.
Mm-mm.
So.
I hate this fucker.
I got you.
I done.
Yeah, I did.
No see.
Oh, I got you. Fixing to get you again.
Sound like the damn, what's the commercial where it's like, I'm gonna get you, or something. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
The dollar one and...
Yes, you sent me the one from the Florida weed thing. I'm gonna get you. That Florida almost got it.
No, you.
almost got
Oh,
it.
you almost got it. You almost got
you
it.
almost got it. She looks like the guy.
It couldn't be happy with a picture down my shirt.
Why do you want it? If you want a nice one, I can give you a nice one.
What?
A picture.
Well, give me a nice one.
We'll put the goddamn phone down for a minute.
Why? I can't get it that way. Alright, let me see my cigarette.
I'm not touching you. Dude, I gotta go shave my legs.
Shave your twat.
Shave my twat. Wait, let me check the armpits. I don't know if they're good.
Smell them though.
Smells like coconuts. Oh, God.
So why would she want one like this? Like, you'll give her a good one.
We'll give her a new one.
I will.
Give it to
Give
her.
me a break. Give me a break. Give me enough time to prep up.
Here, hold
Why
on.
would you want one like this?
Wait.
Randy.
Ah.